Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have x times 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 8 times x plus 4 and this is equals to 16. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Here x times 3x plus 4, 3 times x plus 8 and here x plus 4 and this is equals to 16. Now first if we multiplied this x by x plus 4 and 3x plus 4 is multiplied by 3x plus 8, then x is multiplied by x plus 4 and 3x plus 4 is multiplied by 3x plus 8 and this is equals to 16. Now this x is multiplied by x, then x square plus x is multiplied by 4, then here 4x, and this 3 times x is multiplied by 3 times x plus 8, 3 times x plus 8 plus, and this 4 is multiplied by 3 times x plus 8 and this is equals to 16. X square plus 4x, here 3 times x is multiplied by this 3 times x, this is 9x square, 3x is multiplied by 8, then 24x, 4 is multiplied by 3x, here 12x, and 4 is multiplied by 8, then 32 and this is equals to 60. X square plus 4x and here 9x square, 24x plus 12x is 36x plus 32 and this is equals to 16. X square plus 4x and this is multiplied by 9x square plus 36x, 9x square plus 36x plus 32, this is equals to 16. Look carefully, here we have x square plus 4x and here two terms 9x square plus 36. If we take common 9, then you will get x square plus 4x plus 32 and this is equals to 16. Look carefully, here x square plus 4x and here x square plus 4x. So if we put x square plus 4x, this is equals to m, then here m times 9m plus 32 and this is equals to 16. This m is multiplied by 9m, 9m square plus m is multiplied by 32, this is 32m and this is equals to 16. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then 9m square plus 32m minus 16, this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have a quadratic equation in terms of m. Here we will apply middle term split and then find out the value of m. 9m square plus 32m is 36m minus 4m and here minus 16, this is equals to 0. Look carefully, first two terms, here if we take common 9m, if we take common, then 9m square divided by 9m, then you will get m, and 36m divided by 9m, then you will get 4. So inside the bracket we have m plus 4. And look carefully, last two terms, here if we take common minus 4, then inside the bracket you will get m plus 4 and this is equals to 0. M plus 4 and m plus 4 is common. So if we take common m plus 4, then you will get here 9m minus 4 and this is equals to 0. Now here we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, and here this expression is a and this expression is b, if we apply this rule here, then you can say m plus 4, this is equals to 0, or 9m plus 4, sorry, here minus 4, this is equals to 0. Value of m is equals to minus 4, and here 9 times m, this is equals to 4. If we divide both side 9, then you will get m is equals to 4 over 9. This is case first and this is case second. Now first we will solve case first. M is equals to minus 4 and value of m is x square plus 4x. So this m is replaced by x square plus 4x and this is equals to minus 4. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x square plus 4x plus 4, this is equals to 0. In left hand side we will apply middle term split. X square plus 4x is 2x plus 2x plus 4 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully first two terms. Here if we take common x, then x square divided by x, then here x plus 2x divided by x, then here 2 plus, and look carefully last two terms. If we take common 2, then you will get 2x divided by 2, then here x plus 4 is divided by 2, then here 2 and this is equals to 0. Now x plus 2 is common factor. So if we take common x plus 2, then here you will get x plus 2 and this is equals to 0. X plus 2 times x plus 2 is x plus 2 whole square and this is equals to 0. Now here if we apply this rule, if a square, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, then you can say x plus 2, this is equals to 0, then value of x is equals to minus 2. This is our first solution. Let's say this is x1 and this is equals to minus 2. Now solve case second, and case second m is equals to 4 over 9. M is equals to 4 over 9 and we know that value of m is x square plus 4x and this is equals to 4 over 9. Now if we multiplied both side 9, then in right hand side is also multiplied by 9. This 9 and this 9 is cancelled out. This 9 is multiplied by x square, then you will get here 9x square plus this 9 is multiplied by 4x, then you will get 36x and this is equals to 4. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then 9x square plus 36x minus 4, this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have a quadratic equation. Here we will apply quadratic formula. Here value of a is equals to 9, value of b is equals to 36 and value of c is equals to minus 4, and quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus value of b is 36 plus minus square root of b square. Value of b is 36 square minus 4 and value of a is 9 and value of c is minus 4 and divide by 2 times a and value of a is 9. Then x is equals to minus 36 plus minus square root of 36 square is 1296 plus, because this minus 4 is and multiplied by this minus 4, then you will get plus 16 and plus 16 is multiplied by 9, then you will get 144 and divide by 2 times 9 is 18. X is equals to minus 36 plus minus, if we add both the numbers then you will get 1440 and divide by 18. X is equals to minus 36 plus minus square root of 1440 divided by 18. Look carefully, this number we have square root of 1440. This number is same as 144 times 10, and here if we apply this rule, square root of a times b, this is equals to square root of a times square root of b, then this expression is same as square root of 144 and this is multiplied by square root of 10. Square root of 144 is 12 times square root of 10. So this expression is equals to 12 times square root of 10. Then value of x, this is equals to minus 36 plus minus, this expression is 12 times square root of 10 divided by 18. In numerator, if we take common 6, then you will get minus 6 plus minus 12 times square root of 10 divided by 6, then here 2 times square root of 10 and divide by 18 is 6 times 3. Then this 6 and this 6 is cancelled out. Then value of x is equals to minus 6 plus minus 2 times square root of 10 divided by 3. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.